In this video, you are going to see how to change the bullet size in Microsoft Word document. Let's get started. Let me add some text here. Select it, go to Home, go to the bullet and select the first one. Now if I want to change the bullet size like the previous one over here, just click on the bullet, then you will see here is the font and here is the font size. Now let me change the font size from here, then you will see the bullet size has been changed. You can do the same trick for another bullet. Select it, change the bullet from here. Let me choose this one, click on the bullet and change the font size from here, and this is also perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.